It finally happened, and the hype just became real. Renowned insider Evan Blass, also known as eLeaks, has dropped what appears to be the first official promo image of the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and that ultraviolet shade, marketed as cobalt violet, instantly commands attention. Just as earlier leaks suggested, Samsung is leaning into a bold, confident design language this year. The camera layout may look familiar at first glance, but there's a clear upgrade in execution. The three oversized camera rings now sit on a raised island, giving the back a more aggressive, ultra-premium presence. That camera bump isn't subtle, and it's not trying to be. It's thicker, split into two distinct levels, and clearly engineered to balance better grip with long-term durability. It feels intentional, like a statement. The leaked image also shows slightly more rounded corners compared to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, softening the overall silhouette while still preserving that unmistakable Ultra identity. Button placement remains exactly where fans expected, maintaining the comfort and muscle memory flagship users rely on. The S Pen is still here. Its inclusion confirms Samsung isn't abandoning the stylus in 2026, though debate around its long-term future is already heating up. Even the placement of the S Pen slot is sparking discussion. And this is only the beginning. The leak cycle is just getting started. Samsung is expected to officially unveil the Galaxy S26 lineup on February 25th in San Francisco, with sales likely beginning around March 11th. The countdown has officially begun, and things are accelerating fast. Leaks are now pouring in, official-looking renders are circulating, and a new claim is turning serious heads. The Galaxy S26 Ultra may be about to take a major leap in video recording. According to trusted tipster Ice Universe, Samsung has quietly upgraded the S26 Ultra's 5x periscope telephoto camera, placing a heavy emphasis on video performance. That alone is huge. If accurate, this could finally push Samsung's video quality beyond what the Galaxy S25 Ultra delivered. Official-looking renders have now leaked online, giving us our clearest look yet at Samsung's next flagship. These images, shared by Android headlines and other reliable sources, don't just show colors, they quietly confirm Samsung's design direction for 2026. Let's start with what most people will miss. The Galaxy S26 Ultra keeps the boxy Ultra identity, but the frame corners are subtly more rounded than the S25 Ultra. It's not dramatic, but it's intentional. This small change could make the phone noticeably more comfortable in hand, something Ultra phones have always struggled with despite their premium feel. Flip the phone over, and that's where things get interesting. Samsung hasn't redesigned the camera island completely. Instead, it refined it. The main camera section now sits inside a vertical pill-shaped base layer housing three lenses: the primary sensor, the ultra-wide, and the periscope telephoto. This is new. It adds structure, depth, and a more engineered look compared to the floating ring design we've seen for years. What makes this even more intriguing is that the two camera rings on the right side appear almost unchanged from the Galaxy S24 Ultra, creating a deliberate contrast. It's as if Samsung wants to visually separate its core imaging hardware from its supporting sensors. Even the camera lens crowns now resemble the design language of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, suggesting Samsung is slowly unifying its premium lineup. Color-wise, the leaks revealed two official finishes so far: cobalt violet and classic black. The cobalt violet in particular looks bold but refined, not flashy, not dull, the kind of color Samsung usually reserves for confidence moves. These aren't random choices, they're statement colors. From the front, the Galaxy S26 Ultra plays it clean and safe, and that's not a bad thing. A flat display returns, with extremely slim, perfectly uniform bezels and a centered punch hole camera at the top. This confirms Samsung is sticking with symmetry and practicality rather than chasing curves again. The S Pen is still here, front and center in Samsung's ecosystem, reinforcing that this phone is still built for power users. On the sides, nothing extra, nothing unnecessary. Volume and power buttons live on the right, and that's it. No clutter, no experiments, just a very controlled, very confident design. And here's the real takeaway. The S26 Ultra isn't trying to shock you, it's trying to age well. Every change feels calculated, from the softened corners to the refined camera housing, suggesting Samsung believes the Ultra formula is already winning. They're not reinventing it, they're perfecting it. But this is just the surface, because if Samsung is this careful with the design, the real story might be what they're preparing under the hood, and that's where things could get genuinely exciting. So, the question is this the most confident Ultra Samsung has ever made, or are they saving the real surprises for Unpacked? Either way, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is no longer a mystery, it's a message.